on, baby.
I keep telling myself I'm gonna stop flying Spirit, and I keep doing it. Another trip got fucked up. I gotta wait a couple more days to go to LA. Unfortunate circumstance, but we still gonna move past it. We still gonna make moves. But I'm back at home now, so I explain it more. But give me like a minute. What's up, y'all? My bad I ain't checked in, but I'm about to tell y'all about what happened last night. So basically last night my flight got canceled, and it's a new day, and I'm waiting on my flight now. It's over there to the left, but I haven't been to it. But enjoy this journey. Enjoy this journey, because I think my homeboy Evan coming to pick me up in the airport, so, and we going somewhere, so let's see what happens. Got to LA. I don't know if y'all can hear me well, but I just got to LA and I'm waiting on my homeboy to come pick me up. Yeah, I'm waiting on my homeboy to come pick me up, and then I might go to my auntie house for my little cousin's birthday, so we'll see what's going on. Listen to this shit, man.
Come on, baby. Right there.
Huh?
One more time. It's gonna get relaxed. Right here. Third time's a charm. Yeah. Oh, shit. Okay. Hold on. Oh, yeah, we gonna be there in a minute, Taylor.
It already started recording, but we about to go get some video for the mukbang that we about to do, and about to have a mukbang in the car. About to do knock two videos out. You feel me? I'm feeling good, feeling happy. But we gonna see how this video is. It better be good, because
that one fat nigga. Oh, I can't say nigga.
You can't.
That one fat nigga, whatever his name is, he had it on the show. So motherfucker was
dude that hosts Man vs. Food or some shit. So we about to see what this is about. So the shit with Amway. So the people who were sponsoring us, they ain't talked to us in like a year.
They haven't?
No, but they just hit us up to go to some event, and then they talking about, oh yeah, it's on October 12th.
Okay.
Quinn. They told me a day before I left.
Oh, before you left to come here?
Or no, the day I was leaving. The day I was leaving, they told me, and I was like, why did you wait till the last minute? You knew this shit for months and you didn't tell me, bro? Like, what the fuck type of shit is this? This is that shit, bro. I always tell motherfuckers when they supposed to be somewhere, bro. Just tell them. Just tell them. Tell me time in advance, because I'm not going. I don't give a fuck what they say. That's the only reason why they hitting us up, too. But, I got four Birria tacos. I got the pineapple soda. We got Gatorade. And what else you get?
I got 4 beef Birria tacos. I got the ramen, the Birria ramen. It's noodles and chicken in that joint. And I got a burrito. I'm not eating the burrito now. I usually would, but I'm not eating it now. I'm eating that shit a lot later. But yeah, no. So I'm eating the tacos and the ramen. Well, I'm gonna try to get to the ramen.
I'm gonna try to. That shit look good. That ramen look good. I should have got some.
It's my cheat day. I'm not gonna cheat too much, but I'm gonna cheat a little bit.
But I'm gonna get right back to y'all when we get our food, man. That's what we got. I'm gonna get right back to you. But yeah, that shit.